Hey, we're going to paint chicken today. This is my aunt's chicken. It was a pretty chicken. The picture was pretty and it looks simple. So I went ahead and sketched them. And when I tried to sketch them, it seems like we're gonna have a lot of work to do. And we'll see what it looks like after we paint it. I'm doing this for my aunt and I hope she will like this video. Thanks. Let's start to paint our chicken. Choose the blue background and pale olive. And of course, we can't paint. I can't paint without my Play-Doh blue. Oops. Sometimes I use cobalt blue as well. If you notice, most of my painting usually has blue. Some reason I just like blue, or any kind that has blue on it, like this turquoise. I'm gonna add that in there. There you go. Isn't that pretty? And I usually paint the darker paint color on my four corners. But you can try the lighter one if you like. It's your painting, so do whatever it pleases us. Let's just do darker a little bit in there and just blend them. Just blend them. Can add a little bit of white. So highlight it a little bit. Add some white. This pretty chicken is a lot of character. I am really hoping I would be able to catch that character and show it to you. But seems like I said, gonna be a lot of work. Well, we can try. All we can do. Try. By the way, I'm using a Royal and can't really read because I don't have my glasses. Z73W, and it's 1/2 mm It's supposed to be a flat one. Chicken would be black and white. There you go. That's a pretty one. And of course, it's pretty to me because it's blue. So you can choose whatever color you like. We can try pink background if you want. Oh, by the way, I'm using Liquitex painting. Liquitex Basics. They're not too expensive and they're not too cheap as well. Cheap paints is usually not great to me. Just the quality of it. It depends how. Just use whatever paint you can afford. Doesn't really matter. But this one is an awesome paint. I think you can buy it in Amazon, but I got that one at bleak.com. Alright, we're done with our background. So we can start with our chicken. Let's start with the head. With our cadmium deep real cadmium red deep blue. It's like a flower looking in here. Twirl, twirl. Not twirl, twirl. Something. And then the light version, cadmium light. Just like that. Like that. And then we'll use the orange. Cadmium orange. That's an orange. The one near the nose. Like that. And it's supposed to be a burnt. No, it's a raw umber. Behind those. Let me zoom in so you can see. Hold on. Oh no. Oh no. That way. Right. Then we're going to mix the raw umber and a white one for the beak. There you go. Then it's like a flesh color. Surrounding the eye, like flesh color, reddish flesh. Let's try the deep reddish. Just kind of blend them. There you go. That looks better. A little bit in the back of the eye. Oops, that's too much. We can add white on it. There you go. And let's get our detailed brush. Very fine. And start doing it. For the black, I usually start with raw umber because it's dark. I don't really jump ahead to the black unless I am so sure. So let's do the eye. Dun, 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 dun. There is our eye. And now we can start doing the black. There you go. And there's supposed to be black part in here for the nose. Kind of blend it. Blend. And let's put some white. Kind of highlight the eye. And it's supposed to be white. Really white in here. There is our chicken. Then a little bit of yellow. Sure if you can see that. Kinda just yellowish. Somewhere here. And we'll just go back to our raw umber mixed with white. Kind of like that. And the bottom of our yellow. There you go. And then just the yellow, not yellow, raw umber and kind of this side here. And white one. Since the chicken is white. And then let's start with our deep cadmium red. And this part, it's kind of like the what do you call this? What do you call this thing? Let me know in the comment what do you call this part of the chicken. I don't have any clue. There you go. Now let's start with the dark and then like highlight part. And orange. There you go. How does it look now? Does it look like a chicken now? Darker part in here. And that part here. I'm so sorry, I don't really know this part of the chicken called. So this chicken is a black and white chicken. So I'm kind of just blending it with like with white and a hint of the raw umber. So it's kind of like muddy color for my white part of it. Then later on I will do the black part of the chicken like so. This is the toughest chicken so far I've painted in my life. I'm telling you, this chicken is so pretty. You won't believe that this chicken exists. Or maybe have you seen it already? The first time I saw it, I was like, wow. Is that a chicken or what? Different chicken for sure. Yeah, different. Supposed to be like really like this white, like the grayish. We're gonna have a grayish version of it, not totally white. If you know this type of chicken, I might need to ask my aunt, what type of chicken is this? Oh, this is like a bunch of shapes. Just keep doing like this, and I'm just gonna do a quick version of it. And we can really detail it or just do a quick version of it. So I'll just keep doing that. And some chicken and this is a hint of black and then dark and black. That's how it's supposed to be. And then do now is just fill in the white spot with white. Kind of like blend them, like this part in here is like a grayish, but mostly it's supposed to be just white. You can fill it in if you want to. I like to fill it in, so kind of like blending the black, you know, doesn't really look like cartoonish. Just blend them, blend. There you go. Mind you, this is not, doesn't even like 50% look like my aunt's chicken. Her chicken is so pretty. But I'm not doing a hyper realism painting. We are just doing a fun painting, beginner's painting, easy beginner's painting. So you can follow it, or no, you can try it. Let's see, we're almost done. We're almost done. Oops. And there's a little bit on that part. That's pretty too. Let's leave it that way. Like what Bob Ross is saying. It's excellent. Nope. I will show you the picture after this is over, so you can see the pretty chicken, the reference or chicken. Oops. A little bit too much black. Just more white, or just leave it that way. It adds character to it. That's better. Add some shadow for my chicken. I'm getting cold. Supposed to have a snow today. Let's see. It's cold. It is getting cold. There you go. I think our chicken is done. Maybe. Let's see what else I can do. I think I'll call it done. So we can sign it. morning. There you go, more chicken. Beginners acrylic, how to paint the chicken. Let's see. Thank you for watching.